G'day, this is the Adelaide Old Fart, and we are heading down to, unless I'm very much mistaken, to the Buckland Park Weather Radar. You might be able to see a white stick with a white ball on top of it in front of us. Now, for those of you outside of South Australia, Buckland Park is one of our major weather stations, weather radars. I mean, there are a number of them around, of course, but that's a major one, serving the Adelaide metro area. And this is a no through road. I'm sort of hoping it stops at the radar and then turns around and goes back again. But I might be horribly mistaken, and it might take us nowhere near it. More market gardens. Better start concentrating on this road, although it doesn't, actually it's not as fearsome as what I just came off. It just looks different. What have we got here? There's crap all over the road there, so I might take the wrong side of the road. You never know what's in piles of rubbish like that. Well, this is an interesting bit of road. Stay in the wheel track, Richard. Stay in the wheel track. Whoa! Actually, the track next to us looks a lot better, but I wouldn't be getting onto that. Not this easily. And here's the end of the track. Okay, well, I'm nowhere near the weather radar, which is where I wanted to go, but we might take the easy route back out. That was interesting. I can feel the bits of salt bush bashing against my foot on the way through. So you want your toes pointed in. I've actually got my balls of my feet on the pegs at the moment so that I can point everything in. That's where I should have turned. I was too busy hanging on. But anyway, I know this is alright. Nice smooth run out. Well, that sort of road is why you buy an adventure bike. So you can be adventurous. So we'll cruise back to where I did the, well, where I hit the no through road sign. We will turn right and see if that gets us to somewhere we want to go. Of course, I don't know where I want to go. I was quite happy doing that little bit. That was a bit of fun. And that's what this motor bicycling, having a bit of fun. So this claims to be Buckland Park Road. The road I wanted to get on to get down to that radar station's probably behind me. Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. What they're growing in there. Market garden for something. Above ground irrigation, quite a few acres of it. And right now I've got viewers saying, at such and such a plant you goose. Olives on the other side of the road. It's a real market garden area, this one. Shellgrit Road. There. Well, that seems to be heading a long way into the distance. God, those gravel roads are rough. Big cactus. This flock of white birds are one of the many corellas. No, they're not, they're ibis. Don't mind me. Black-headed ibis. Farmer's probably quite happy to see them in his field eating the grains, or are they in there eating the grubs? I don't know. Should I find out? A viewer will tell me in the comment section below. More market gardens. Can't quite see what they are. They're quite large plants in there. Yeah, you probably can't see them. Oh, you can't turn up that way. Just what I wanted to do. What can we? Yes, we can. Illegal dumping. There's quite an array of aerials in there. It's all part of a radar system. Used to be an RAAF one out here somewhere. That may be part of it. And here's that big white thing I was talking about earlier. Getting myself most confused about. radar dome. That's it, the Buckland Park Adelaide Weather Radar. Big golf ball on a stick. Site under video surveillance. I wonder where the video surveillance is. Wave to them. Guess I'm the first person to ever wave to them, eh? What do you reckon?